In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove humming sound from your audio in Filmora. So if you have your audio recording but it contains a lot of humming effects, then you can remove this and make your audio clear. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add the video that contains the audio on your video timeline. Or if you have a separate audio, you can also go ahead and add it on the audio timeline. For my case, I want to remove humming sound from this audio, and you can listen in.
Starting with a new CRM.
Once you have added your audio, go ahead and tap on it, or you can as well tap on the video that contains the audio, and then this will be active. This is an edit button. So if you click on it, we shall be taken to Audio Basics here, and then scroll down until you get to this denoise section. Under denoise, if you scroll down again, you can see hum removal. So if we turn this off, it will go ahead and remove the humming sound from our audio. So if I turn it on, now we have the power to adjust the humming level until we get to a perfect balance. So go ahead and adjust this as you listen in.
Feel a bit like walking into a massive
And look at that.
control room full of buttons, screens, and
Great. For me, that is the perfect level. If your audio also contains a lot of hissing noise, you can also go ahead and turn this on and adjust until the hissing sound is taken away. Once you're done, now you can go ahead and click on OK to save the changes. So that's how you can eliminate or remove humming noise from your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.